Hey, what's up, backyard crew? So, hey man, hey, just a little real quick video of what I did for dinner tonight. Had a what was it, like a prime ribeye I got from Walmart just about a day or so ago. Uh, my son had a Christmas concert tonight, but I wanted to cook this steak, so I wanted to try something a little different. So, hey, stick with me, team. Show you what I did. I used one of my new toys and one of my older pieces of equipment to do another reverse steak. So it's just another way to, skin the cat, as they say. So stick with me, team. Check it out. See ya. Hey, what's up, backyard crew? We back, man. Hey, I just been a little while here, but hey, I'm reverse searing the steak, but I don't know if I've showed y'all my new toy yet. So hang on a sec here. Check me out, y'all. Got me a little pit boss. Man, this thing is crazy. I can control all my temps on my phone. So what I'm doing now is I'm reverse searing the steak. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see if I can get it. It's probably hard to see. But reverse searing the steak, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm smoking it right now. And I'm gonna come over here and throw it on my little grates here and try to do a nice sear on my cooker. Try something a little different. So y'all stay with me, y'all. Hey, I got a few videos I gotta post and edit and everything. So hey, hang tight. You should see some notifications popping up if you're one of my subscribers. And hey, hope you guys having a great Friday Eve. Let's say it like that. Today's Thursday night. So hey, stick with me, team. See ya. Hey, Bay Y'all crew. Hey, so I really hope you guys made it to the end of the video, and if you did, hope you learned a new maybe method to reverse searing your steak. So just a little recap, right? So all I did was took a prime ribeye that I got from Walmart of all places, put it on my pit boss smoker and smoked it till about 130 on the internal. You do it how you like, but I like mine kind of medium rare. So right after that, I walked it over to my Camp Chef cooker where I have my cast iron griddle on there, and I just laid it down on a nice hot griddle on a sear. So seared it for like a minute and 15 seconds, and then flipped them. But before I flipped them, I rotated them about midways in that time interval. So like, I don't know, 40 seconds is when I rotated them. And I did the same identical thing on the opposite side. And once that minute 15 was up, I just took it off and brought it inside to the oven and put it in my oven. My oven has a little warm setting, so if yours doesn't, don't worry about it, but something I like to do. So put it in the warm setting for about medium and let it just sit there and rest for about 10 minutes. And after that, hey, cut it open and Man, she was beautiful inside. It didn't really last hardly any time with me and my wife. We were kind of starving anyway. So, but in any case, hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, leave me a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if everything was interesting to you. And until next time, guys, see you again.